We had more than 3,000 wind turbines. Denmark is a small country, and it was really used in the countryside for some places just for hauling water, other places also for electricity. We had lots of wind turbines in Denmark following Paul La Cour. So they were used during especially First World War and also during Second World War. They started making more modern turbines with 2 or 3 wings. But oil was very cheap to buy, so after that, after Second World War, it was only this test windmill at Gedser by Johannes Juel that came, but it was still standing when we had the energy crisis in the 1970s, and it was put to work again. They restored it and put it to work again because it seemed to be one of the only big wind turbines in the world that had worked for more than 10 years and without ruining itself.